Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to continue with crocheting shells, and this one is called the Bushy Stitch, and these shells are a combination of a single and a double crochet stitches, and it works up pretty quick and pretty easy. So let's get started. To begin, we will start with our slip knot. And you're going to do a chain, and it's going to be a multiple of 3. So for my chain, I'm going to do 18 for my multiple of 3. And remember, when you're counting, don't count the loop that's on your hook. And I will meet you at the end of my chain. And here I am. I have 18 stitches. And then we're going to add one more. So you'll do a multiple of 3 plus one more. And for this pattern, I'm just going to work into this top loop here. As you're looking at it, you see that it's got this V here. And we're just going to work into this top loop. And we're going to skip the first 3 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and start in the 4th chain from the hook. And we're going to do 1 double crochet, chain 2, and then do 1 single crochet into that same stitch. And now we're going to skip the next 2 chains, and in this one we're going to do 2 double crochet into that stitch, chain 2, and then do a single crochet into that same stitch. And that's going to be our pattern going all the way across. So we'll skip 2, we'll do 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then do 1 single crochet into that same stitch. And then you'll continue doing that all the way across your row. So skip 2, do 2 double crochet, into that stitch, chain 2, and then 1 single crochet into that same stitch. And you'll do that till you reach the end of your row. And here I am at the end of my row. And we're going to chain 2, and then in each chain 2 space that we made, we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then do a single crochet. And then we'll come over here to the next chain 2 space, and we'll do 2 double crochet, chain 2, and single crochet, all in that space. So I'll show you one more time. Here's our chain 2 space. Do 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then a single crochet, and continue that till you've reached the end of your row. And here I've come to the end of my row. I've got one final chain 2 space here, so I will do my 2 double crochets into that space, chain 2, and then single crochet. And then you're just going to repeat that for all your rows after this. So you'll chain 2, turn your work, and then you'll do your double crochet, 2 double crochets into that chain 2 space, and then you'll chain 2, do your single crochet, and then move over to the next chain 2 space, do 2 double crochet into that space, chain 2, and single crochet. So I'll show you, and come to this next chain 2 space, do our 2 double crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. And that's how all of your rows will be all the way through this pattern. So you'll just keep doing this until you've reached the number of rows you are looking for. It's a pretty simple stitch. And then here I am at the end of my row. I've got one last chain 2 space here, so I'll do my 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then single crochet. Oops. Okay, just a single, there we go, single crochet, then you'll chain 2, turn, and continue doing that, and I will work up a few more rows so you can see what it looks like. And here we are, I've worked up a few rows. You can see how it ends up looking, and it's the same on both sides, and your edges end up with this nice little design. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed my video, and have a great day.